Separation and divorce can be incredibly challenging for both you and your kids. You don't have to go through it alone. Welcome to Windhurst Counseling and Wellness's Cooperative Co-Parenting Program. We recognize the emotional toll separation and divorce can take on your family. Under the guidance of a licensed professional counselor, our program offers invaluable advice and support, ensuring you and your kids feel confident and cared for every step of the way. Your children's well-being is our top priority. We're dedicated to helping you create a nurturing and stable environment that supports their growth and happiness. Take the first step towards a brighter, healthier future for your family. Sign up for the Cooperative Co-Parenting Workshop today.